With the hood up, ready to take the bumper off. It's kind of where I started. There was a 1, 2, 3, 4 of these little pop-up tabs. Okay, there's 4 here, and you got 2 behind here. I'll show you in just a second. And 2 behind here. This is what it looks like after you take that cover off. You got 1 here and 1 here. Okay, and then take the cover off. So you're gonna take this cover off. These little things just pop out. One second here. I say they pop out. Thought I had that one loose already. Okay. So that comes out. And then you have to be careful. This little piece right here pops off. Like when I've already got it loose and I'll show you. It just pops off. This little tab just slides inside the gap right there. And if you have a little shimmy thing here, I've already got it loose, but just so you know, you can get it in there and kind of pry it loose. And when you do, I'll show you here, it just comes straight out. I took this one off and you can see the bottom one was already broke, but it comes off real easy. Just pull straight back, and it comes right off. And I'll have to figure out how to fix that when I put it back up together. But that's how that comes off. And then, so you have the sensor here, and then, like I said, I already pulled them out, but you have 2 little pop-ups here and here. And then you go to the side, passenger side. Here's the screws and the pop-ups that came out. These look like screws on the end. I tried twisting. You had 2 of them. And this little plastic piece fits inside here. And then this little screw is inside there. But it's really not a screw. You just get your little tool, some screwdriver behind it, and just pull it out and just pull it straight out. That's what it looks like. You had 2 of those. You had 1 here, you had 1 here, 1 up here. Okay. You had another one of these pop-ups right here. Pulled that out. And then after you get that apart, right up in here, you have a 10mm screw. You had this right here, a little 10mm, right up in here. Then what you have to do, you have to get under the truck, and you had some more of these little pop-ups. You had, supposed to have 6 of these pop-ups, all throughout here, here, and here. Actually 3 pop-ups. And then on each side, you have 2 more 10mm screws. This tucks up under here. They just go in there. So 10mm screws. So it's kind of hard to get an angle here. 2 10mm screws here and here on both sides. Tricky to figure out after you get all these off here, the 10mm screw up in here. Then I'll show you here. Just kind of had to figure this out. To break it loose, you got those 2 little tabs. Here, actually 3. Yeah, 3 little tabs. And you just kind of got to push down and pull. You just kind of wiggle as you go, and then it comes right out. But those tabs kind of lock it in place. And then once you get those out, bumper's ready to come off. All right, we're just gonna try to pull the bumper apart, we should have a couple cables we have to disconnect. Kind of gently. That's it. The bumper is off. Voila.